Hey everyone, Lenny Bonds here from Purposely Pixel. And today I'm going to talk about the upcoming Pixel hardware event on October 6th. All things coming together. And they seem to be for Pixel fans. We're going to get the Pixel 7 series, the new phones, and the long-awaited Pixel Watch. So it's exciting times. And in the following year, there is rumor about the Pixel tablet. So, everything is coming together. And I'm a huge Pixel fan. I try to call it like I see it, but I'm a huge Pixel fan. I haven't had much issues with my Pixel. I'm very happy for that, and I'm looking forward to the new devices. Now, they aren't going to be major upgrades from the Pixel 6 series, from what I gather. But, if they work on a few things that I've talked about in the previous video, I would love that. Just to let you know, this is my Pixel 6 Pro right here. This is my Pixel 6. I'm actually recording with my Pixel 6a, so let me know how that comes out. Let's talk about the Pixel 7 series. Now, there's not major changes. The one big change, obviously, is the Tensor 2 chip. And obviously, a year Google has to combine the hardware and software. This is their second generation of that, so hopefully things go a lot more smoother than they did in the first generation. I would love for better battery optimization. Now, the reason I say that is for the fact that it seems like the battery is still going to be the same on the Pixel 7 Pro. The Pixel 7 has a slight bump at 47 mAh. So on the 7, you're still going to get a 6.3-inch FHD screen. You're going to get 90 hertz refresh rate. It's still rumored to have 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of onboard storage. The camera in the front will probably be the biggest upgrade. It's going to an 11 megapixel camera with autofocus versus an 8 megapixel that it had last year. It's coming with Android 13, wireless charging, stereo speakers, etc., etc. But what I would really love to see is, like I said, total integration. Better modem, faster fingerprint scanner, better thermal cooling within the device, and I like the brushed aluminum look on the new devices. For the Pixel 7 Pro, it's pretty much the same thing. It's a 120 hertz refresh rate screen, 12 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of onboard storage, with the option of 256. I haven't seen an option of 512. The things that will make me happy about the two devices is, like I said, if the AI works even better, right? Because Google is pretty phenomenal at putting their software and hardware together, and their computational photography is second to none. So I hope they work on the issues that, a lot of us want, especially with even portrait mode, that we're able to use the zoom camera and stuff like that, like a faster fingerprint scanner. These are the things that we hope and wish for. So Google, if you're listening, please take care of these for us and we'll be very happy. The prices seem to have remained the same. So it's $599 for the Pixel 7 series and $899 for the Pixel 7 Pro, which is excellent. Now the big thing, the Pixel Watch. That's something we've all been waiting for. Rumored to start at $349, possibly $399 for an LTE cellular version, running Samsung Exynos processor as well as Wear OS 3. And what I'm hoping for it, it's saying a 300 mAh battery, which lasts about a day. That's pretty disappointing. I'm not really a watch guy, but I would want something that I could at least track my sleep without having to charge it before I track my sleep. Few things that I like that's coming is Fitbit integration built into the watch. Tracking system is excellent for me. I used to use Fitbit. I'm a mailman, but I haven't used a fitness tracker in a while. So this is pretty exciting for me. As long as it's all integrated with my Pixel phone and everything else, I'll be pretty happy. Google Assistant, it has a built-in GPS, 50 meters of water resistant. These are certain things that I would like. It charges USB-C and also a bunch of accessories for it, right? So we could dress it up however we want. Now we know there's a silicone band already because we've seen that, but I hope there's like fabric bands, stretch bands, leather bands, maybe even a link bracelet if you're going out. Fancy it up a little bit. Let me know your thoughts on the upcoming event. Let me know your thoughts on the watch, on the Pixel phones. Let me know if you're going to pick up the Pixel 7, the Pixel 7 Pro, which color are you looking at, and let me know your thoughts overall on the watch. That's what this whole video is for us to engage in a commentary and find out what the viewers and users out there want. Pixel users, Pixel fans, and tech fans in general. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, hit that like, share, and comment button. This is Lenny Bond signing off from Purposely Pixel.